Good morning, children. Open your maths book at page number 151. Children, as you know that we are doing chapter time and we are learning to read and write time. Today we'll study about half and quarter hour. Children, you know that half means one of the two equal parts of a whole, and every half on the clock is equal to 30 minutes. Now you see, this is one whole clock, right? There are 12 numbers over there, and minute hand completes its one round in 60 minutes, right? And if we divide it into two equal parts, like here 12, now we are dividing it into two equal parts. Now half this side and half this side. From 12 to 6 there are 30 minutes, and 6 to 12 there are 30 minutes. This side it's after, and this side before. And if we divide clock into four equal parts, like this, half like this and half 9 to 3, right? First we divided into two equal parts from 12 to 6. Now we further divided two halves into four parts and draw a line over here, 9 to 3. Now you see, 12 to 3 there are 15 minutes, 3 to 6 15 minutes, 6 to 9 there are 15 minutes, and 9 to 12 there are 15 minutes. As each half has 30 minutes, each quarter is equal to 15 minutes, right? If our minute hand is at 3, it means 15 minutes passed. Then if minute hand is at 6, it is 30 minutes passed. 15 plus 15, 30. And then if our minute hand is at 9, it means 45 minutes have passed. It means 15 plus 15, 30 plus 15, 45, and plus 15, 60 minutes, right? Now you see, our hand is at 4 and minute hand is at 12. The time is shown by this clock, 4 o'clock. Now come to this clock. Now you can see our hand is between 4 and 5, and minute hand has moved from 12 to 3. Now how many minutes have passed? 15 minutes have passed. It means it is 4:15 or quarter past 4. Now you can see that now minute hand has moved from 3 to 6, and our hand is between 4 and 5. Okay, here you can see when minute hand is at 3, our hand is between 4 and 5, but it is nearer to 4. And here when minute hand has reached 6, our hand is in the middle of 4 and 5, right? Now what is the time by this clock? Now we read it as 4:30 or half past 4, right? And in this clock you can see that our minute hand has moved from 6 to 9. Right? And you can see our hand is still between 4 and 5, but it is nearer to 5. Right? And the minute hand is at 9. When minute hand is at 6, there are 30 minutes. When minute hand is at 9, 5 9s are 45. It means the time we can read 4:45, or we can also read like this. There are 4:45. It means minute hand is 15 minutes before 5. 4:45. Right? Now let's read the time on the clock. You can see it is 3:15. Why? Minute hand is at 3, hour hand is at 3. It means 15 past 3 or 3:15 or 3:15. In the second clock you can see hour hand is between 3 and 4 and minute hand is at 6. You can read the time 3:30 or 3:30. Now you can see our hand is between 3 and 4, but it is nearer to 4. And minute hand is at 9. You can read the time as 3:45, means there are 15 minutes left to 4. 3:45, or you can read the time as 3:45. Now you can see minute hand is on 12. Hour hand is at 4. Now the time is 4 o'clock. Children, remember, when minute hand moves, hour hand moves too. Right? Now turn over your page to 152. Children, now we will do exercise 3. You have to draw the missing hands in the clock to reflect the time indicated below. The time is 15 minutes before 10 a.m. It means our minute hand will be at 9. Before come this side, after come this side. So now our minute hand is at 9. Remember, minute hand should be longer in size, right? This is minute hand. It is at 9. Before this side, after this side. 15 minutes before 10 a.m. It means our hand should be nearer to 10. Like this. Now this clock shows 15 minutes before 10. Right? In clock B, time is given 45 minutes after 10 a.m. Right? This is the clock. You have to draw 45 minutes after. 45 minutes, 9 o'clock. 9. Your minute hand should be at 9. 45 minutes, your minute hand should be at 9. Right? And after 10 a.m. it means your hour hand should be between 10 and 11. After 10, 45 minutes have gone. 45 minutes have passed. After 10, so your hour hand should be nearer to 11. It should be between 10 and 11, but it should nearer to 11. Now this clock shows the time 45 minutes after 10. Right? Now question number 2. Draw the missing hand to reflect the time indicated below. The time is 30 minutes before 5 o'clock. Now you can see our hand is between 4 and 5. 30 minutes before 5 o'clock will be 4:30. And your minute hand should be at 6. Now it is 4:30. The time is 30 minutes before 5 o'clock. And B, 30 minutes after 5 o'clock. It means 30 minutes after 5 o'clock means 5:30. Now your minute hand should be at 6. Right? It is 5:30. Question number 3. Read the time and draw the missing minute hand in the clocks. Now you can see clock A, 7:15. 7:15 means your minute hand should be at 9. 7:15 means 6:45. 7:15. It means minute hand should be at 9. Now you can see here it is 7 o'clock. Minute hand is at 12 and our hand is at 7. The time is 7 o'clock. Quarter past 7 means 15 minutes past. 15 minutes past 7 means your minute hand should be at 3. When the time is given 1:45, it means your minute hand should be at 9. When 1/4 past, your minute hand should be at 3. I'll repeat. When the time is given 1:45, it means your minute hand should be at 9. When time given 1/4 past, your minute hand should be at 3. Understand? Now, question B, 30 minutes before 1 o'clock. It means 30 minutes before 1 o'clock, time is 12:30. Our hand is between 12 and 1 and minute hand should be at 6. It is 12:30. 30 minutes before 1 o'clock. Now, here you can see our hand is at 1 and minute hand is at 12. It is 1 o'clock. Now 30 minutes after 1 o'clock. It means the time is 1:30. After 1. Now minute hand should be at 6. Now it is 1:30. You can see the place of 1. It is between 1 and 2. It means 30 minutes have passed. And our hand is between 1 and 2. After 1, 30 minutes have passed. Now it is 1:30. Now you can see in the first clock 30 minutes before 1 o'clock. Right? Before 1 o'clock means our hand should be between 12 and 1 and minute hand is at 6. Before 30 minutes before 1 o'clock, the time is 12:30. And 30 minutes after 1 o'clock, the time is 1:30. Our hand is between 1 and 2 and minute hand is at 6. Got it, children? Children, do these sums in your math book carefully. Okay?